All right, I'm here to explain the difference between a sub and a function, which is very, very important, and I think you're really going to need to know this stuff. Just like I've been carefully going through the homework, and if it's really not clear, I think that this is about as clear as I can get it, and yeah, I'm trying to helping me by helping you by learning it thoroughly. So I'm going to try and explain the difference between a sub and a function. A function can return a value, and it will return a value, and a sub does not necessarily need to return a value, and a sub will not return a value. So I guess sub doesn't return value, function will return a value. Functions essentially use equations, can return an answer to an equation that you can then use, and then a sub you're going to have to put in an equation like at the bottom, like when you're going to go use it. Like you'll have to define your variables all in there and then do it. So here we go. Here's our private sub. It says display message box dot show bang. And so this is just, again, this is just sub. There's no return value. There's no values even in here. And then a private function is going to have some different values in here. It's going to go ahead and have a little formula here. And then you can have your total is equal to hamburger plus drink. And it will return your total. It's going to then take your total here. You're going to plug in your answer. Sorry. Answer is equal to blam blam hamburger drink. Goes up there. And this can literally be whatever. So you can make this like, any of you guys Tom Segura fans? Moose soup. Change that. Moose soup. Doesn't need to be anything. And this is called circumstances. Again, if you're a Tom Segura fan, you'll get this. So here you go. Moose soup, circumstances. This just essentially enters it in, and because I didn't enter anything in, it'll just be a 1. So yeah, this is again, but it'll return the total, and answer is equal to essentially total. It'll give you an exact number, and then it'll format that number to C2 here, which will be a currency. So yeah, there we go. We play it. I go boom, bang. So that's your sub procedure right there. You can also do an if, else, those kinds of statements with a sub procedure. Really good with the check boxes and stuff. $5, and that's what we should logically get is a hamburger plus a drink. A $4 drink. Get that good yerba mate, good 2 for $9. I don't know what the deal is, but $4 drink, $1 hamburger. You have $5 there. Your total wasn't converted because the answer is equal to total essentially, and then your answer is formatted to the string as currency. So kablam! I hope that clarified some stuff. A sub is like does not return a value. Does not return a value. So that is the key difference. Thanks guys for listening. I hope that helped a little bit, and have a great rest of your Halloween weekend.